When you need to replace a motor in Carrier, Bryant, or Payne equipment, your best choice is always a factory authorized parts motor. Why? One reason is you'll be using an exact drop-in replacement motor, and that means an easy installation. Let's see just how easy it is as our technician demonstrates the process step by step. And an important note, before performing any service, always be sure to lock out, tag out the main power switch to the unit. In this case, the blower housing has already been removed from the unit, and the original motor has already been removed from the blower housing. After removing the motor, you want to measure the distance from the base of the motor shaft to the edge of the mounting ring. Then, in the first installation step, that measurement is used to properly position the motor mounting band to the new motor. Next, insert the shaft into the blower hub and attach the mounting arms to the blower housing. Step 3. Center the blower wheel in the housing, tighten the hub set screw, and make sure the blower wheel spins freely. You'll also need to make sure the terminal plug is in the proper position. Ideally, the motor will be at an 8 and 4 o'clock orientation. Do not install at a 12 and 6 o'clock orientation. Then the fourth step is to reinstall the blower assembly. And finally, reconnect the motor power and control plugs. And that's it. 5 simple steps to ensure you and your customer enjoy all the benefits of a factory authorized parts motor, like maximum reliability and durability and optimum system performance. Plus, factory authorized parts maintain agency certifications and safety standards, preserve the original equipment warranty, and their exact drop-in replacements. And that means an easy, time-saving installation.